Hi, this is Katie. I'm going to show you how to make a single-paged book, a book that is made up of just one page, but actually folds into a book with a lot of pages. So cover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a back page, back cover page. So very exciting. Single page books can be easily photocopied also, and I'll show you how to do it. These are popular, they're called zines usually, which is short for magazine, just a shortened word of, you pronounce it zine, like the end of a magazine. But it's super fun for times when you just have a piece of paper and a pair of scissors, so super cool. One piece of paper. Lots of pages. Okay, I'll show you. So here's some examples of these single-paged books. Single page, one piece of paper. These are by people that, I don't know. Just fun, you can choose whatever. This one's by me. It's a different size of paper, but it's not very different. It's like legal size, so, but it's not 8.5 by 11. It's a little bit of a different size. This is another, just 8.5 by 11, one piece of paper. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. So you can easily photocopy this, or make one on a computer and print it out. The cover and the back are next to each other. We'll talk about that in a sec. But I'll show you how to fold one, and then we'll talk through it a little bit more. So we're going to fold a sheet of paper in half, what we call hot dog style or long ways, and you're trying to exactly line those sides up, those edges. So be as careful as you can. Line it up really good before you fold it. Press down in the middle before you fold, and hold that whole side down if you can while you're folding. You're just trying to carefully press that. So that's folded long ways or hot dog. And you're going to fold it in half the other way, or hamburger style. So that is folded in half this way and this way. So you've got, if you open it up, you've got 4 creases. The next thing that you're going to do is fold it, it doesn't really matter, one time over this way. So it kind of looks like hot dog style because you're now folding it long ways. It's already folded. You're folding both folded sides at once. So they go over like that. So then you're going to open this whole thing up, and your paper will look like this. It has 8 different sections. So the next thing that you're going to do is, you have just opened up this fold here. You're going to cut from here to here along this crease. So just along that crease. Carefully as you can. And you're going to not cut any further than that line, this crease that you made. So we're using those folds as like the lines. Then you're going to open up your sheet again. Has a whole hole in the middle. It's really easy to accidentally cut this side, and then you'll have to start over. But you can do something else with that paper. But the next thing that you are going to do is open it all the way up and fold it hot dog style again, and it has this kind of opening here in the middle. And then what you're going to do is press these sides together. It's kind of like a mouth. Blah, blah, blah. Press those sides together, and those parts will kind of automatically fold together. You can easily crease that. So now it looks like a rectangle, sort of, but you've got some pages here. And then you need to move this side around. I like to move it around kind of that way. And then press it. Make sure, like when you're doing the creases from the beginning of this folding, that you press everything down on this lined up side first before you go into creasing. But just press down on all those creases, and then you have a book. It has 4 pages. But wait, it was just 1 page. So super cool. And then you can, this is your cover, you can write a book about whatever you want. Have fun. So let's talk about the part that's called pagination, or like organization, arrangement of pages. So if you have this whole piece of paper, if you're thinking about trying to arrange stuff and you have information already in mind, and you're doing this in like an organized way, I would say think about maybe the inside cover has information about you. What are you doing? You know, what's happening today? What is your book about? You know, whatever, you know, everybody's book is going to be different, but here's an example of, this one has like a little bit of an intro information and then a bunch of other stuff in the middle. So think about, you know, what's your book about? And then you've got plenty of space to fill in the middle, and then I would say you can write something about yourself on the back too. So front cover, back cover, and then yeah, have fun.